Hello everyone, welcome to mathematics class. Mathematics being a very important subject, present everywhere around us, present in every nook and corner of our lives. So it's very important that we understand this subject very well. Understand it wholeheartedly and happily. Don't be under the impression that this is a hard subject. Let us try to make it more easier. So today I will be explaining to you about algebraic identities. An algebraic identity is an equality that holds for any values of its variables. As you can see here in the picture, I am showing four identities. The four identities being 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the first identity is x plus y whole square equals to x square plus 2xy plus y square. Second one, x minus y whole square equals to x square minus 2xy plus y square. Third one, x square minus y square is equals to x plus y into x minus y. And the fourth one, x plus a into x plus b equals x square plus a plus b multiplied by x plus ab. Let us take an example of the first identity. Suppose I want to expand x plus 2 whole square. So I just keep a watch on the sign in between. The sign is plus. That means I'm going to use the first identity. So because it is in the form of a plus b whole square, I will compare both the question and the formula now. So I get that in place of a I have an x and in place of b I have a 2. So according to the expansion or according to the formula, I am going to write this as wherever there is an a in its place, I am going to write x, and wherever there is a b in its place, I am going to write 2. So after solving, my final answer would be x square plus 4x plus 4. As you can see here, these substitutions I have done. In place of b, in place of a I have written x, and in place of b I have written 2. So accordingly, now what we'll do is we'll just go for the second identity. Second identity was a minus b whole squared equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So let us see how we can expand this using that identity. Because there is a minus sign in between, I will be choosing the second identity. Then I will compare this with the second identity. That means in place of a I have an x, in place of b I have a 5. So I will be writing the formula now, which says a minus b whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now the substitution part, in place of x I will write in place of a I am going to write x, in place of b I will be writing 5. So my final answer would be x square. Final answer would be x square minus, this is square, minus 10x plus 25. This would be my final answer. So you can clearly see that in the first and second identity, the only difference is in the middle term. For the first identity, the middle term is positive, and for the second identity, the middle term would be negative. Let us move on with the third identity, which says a square minus b square equals a plus b into a minus b. For this, let us choose the example x square minus 4. Now, here I can write this as x square minus 2 square. Why am I writing this as an x square minus 2 square? See, here the second term, the first term and second term in the third identity, they are perfect squares. Perfect squares. So you have to be very perfect in the square numbers. Here the square of x is the square of x itself, and 4 is the square of which number? 4 is the square of 2. So what I can do here is I can compare this with my identity a square minus b square. So that means in place of a I have an x, in place of b I have a 2. So I will be writing the formula for a square minus b square, which says a plus b bracket a minus b. After substitution, this becomes x square minus 2 square equals to x plus 2 into x minus 2. So this was a little bit of explanation about the three algebraic identities. Let us continue with the remaining identities in the next session. Till then, keep studying.